tá sé go hin ó runní me fi an si op an am hen gannn cean an nacht go go má agus tá mar ruidirach toseach ach go má. So it's a whilst I've made a video. I said I'd do one tonight. It's to do with the dative case in Irish, or the Tishel Torach, and just a couple of idiomatic speech or dialect speech, dialectical words is what I'm trying to think of, that you get in North Mayo. So most people be familiar of the Tishel Torach in the form of the name for Ireland. So obviously the noun Ireland is Ada, as in the country Asia. It's written on your passport. And then, you know, if you want to say the genitive, you say Aoife the IREANN, so public na héan. And then I live in Ireland, Tom Mahoney in Yeating, Aoife the IRINN. But there's a couple of other ones that have kind of gone outmoded. First one is Marie, MNAOI, which is for ban for woman. So you could say Tahata Marie. And then the second one is Cowbo, is Boin, B-O-I-N. So you might say something like Ta Cailog Moin, or Hugma Ishku Dunboin, Dunmoin.